So our chicken's been roasting for about 2.5 hours, so what we'll do is we'll take it out. Okay, so we want to let it rest because when it comes out of the oven, you tend to get lots of juice just under the skin that's kind of bubbling. If you let that rest, it kind of relaxes back into the meat. So it's the same as when you're cutting up a raw chicken. So we'll just cut down either side of the leg, like that. Pull the leg off the bird like that, and then just cut the leg off just by finding that joint and cutting through. Then you've got the leg, which is the thigh and the drumstick. And then we'll just separate those two through that joint. Then we'll do the same with the other leg. Again, just pull it away from the main body of the chicken. So you just take the wings off. This is really easy. You just get your fork just here and just pull that off the bird like that and just put it away. If it's nicely cooked, it should just fall off the bird. Some people slice the breast while it's still whole. I think it's a bit easier to take the breast off whole and then slice them. I think you get a bit less wastage from like that and you get more slices. So what we do is we just cut either side of the bone, that bone that sticks out, and you just sort of ease it off. I think the best way, because there's skin, turn it upside down, then we can slice it into nice little pieces like that. Now we've taken one breast off, we can see this wishbone here, which can cause us problems. What we do is we just see there's like a line of bone, so we'll just cut down like that, cut through that joint, and then we'll take this breast off with the wishbone still in it, just to there. And then because we've made that cut, we can just pull that off. And then we've got our carcass there with not a huge amount of meat on it. Actually, I'll tell you what, we'll make sure we take these out, these little oysters here. Never forget those because they're the most delicious, so they can be a little treat for you or for the person you love. And then that's it, we've got everything off. There's a bit of extra skin and the parson's nose. If anyone really fancies that, they can have that. What's left in the tray is a fair bit of fat, so we can skim that fat off. You can cook that with a bit of wine and then add a bit of cold butter and whisk it in, and that'll help it thicken. Today we did a really plain roast chicken with nothing in it, but obviously there's no limit to the type of things you can put in the bottom of the tray to help you get a nice sauce.